looking at her butt, stupid. You broke the
That's a
bed.
big.
He fell in the hole.
Get up. I can't. We'll get up. This is for YouTube. Let's act like Kyle Monkey.
I want to hit you right there.
Come here, I can actually catch the ball.
Joey, come closer. Come closer, Joey.
He's trained to hit anything that moves. He's 75 pounds of ornery whoop ass.
Oh, he's so cute. Lucky cheerleader. Thanks for the help, man.
Hey, no problem, buddy. Helped me too. Gave me a chance to work through some of my feelings. I can't believe I spent all those years mad at my dad.
Wait here. Think I can run. We do what again?
Oh, boy.
Close the door.
No, pause it.
Close the door, Joey.
Ow!
Joey, close the door.
I'm back.
Joey,
Ow!
close the door.
Joey, close the stupid door.
Joey, close the door. She's coming.
The life of a condo.
A life of a condom? Did you say life of a condom?
No, condo.
I don't want to know the life of a condom.
Condo.
Condom.
Condo.
Use what? No.
Please, why not?
Because you're irritating me. And stop looking at my shirt.
Is that thing still on?
Yes.
She's actually going to put it on YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube.